Hi all, in our last video we have seen about matrix plan. Today we'll see about unilevel plan. If you are new to the channel, we have uploaded videos for binary and matrix plans also. Please check into those videos in our channel. Links to those videos are available in the description box. Check that too. We are MLM software development company with successful 16 plus years of experience, and we have developed around 800 projects successfully to the clients. So before getting into the unilevel, we will look for what is binary and what we did in binary. We know in binary the placement happens in the tree structure. In matrix we saw the placement will happen in a fixed width and depth. As we come to unilevel, if there is a person who sponsor here, the other incoming members will be joined only under him. No left leg or right leg concept involved. Now here is the sponsor is on top of, he has placed and 8 people below him. All the 8 people are placed in one level only. So we see that as level 1. Here in level 1, the sixth person refers 5 people under him. So here that 5 people will be placed only under him. So this is how the placement works. This is technical concept termed as one line distribution or single line distribution. But when we see in single line distribution, already in MLM, there is a single leg concept. So don't get confused with the both concept. Both are different. And in here, there is no spillover concept. Income will be based on refer income and level income. Referral income concept is as usual, we all know. You will get refer income based on how many people you refer. If suppose you are referring 5 people, 10 people, 50 people under you, you will get income based on that. When you look into the level income, how it works is if a sponsor refers 8 people under him, let's take it as an example. The sixth person here we see refers 5 people under him. This seen as an horizontal line. So the sponsor who refer 8 people under him, that 8 person will be treated as first level. And the sixth person who refers 5 people under him, that level will be treated as second level. So this is how level will be framed below, and all the income will give to the upline accordingly and to the sponsors. And when you look at the depth, the concept is based on you. Based on the client's requirement only. So how the client requirement is given, we can do based on that. And we can put level and commission according to the level in the unilevel plan. So in this unilevel, not only products, you can do investment also. When it comes to investment, there comes the ROI concept, which is return on investment. So according to the package you choose, you will get ROI commission based on package, duration based on the package. You can choose whatever package you want based on it. When you look into the depth in the unilevel, it has slow and steady growth. Why? Because the people whom you are all under you are referring, they can be well knowledge, well experienced person. You'll add person under you according to that only. So for initial days, it will have a very smooth run. The people under you will perform very well, and some of them won't perform, and some of them will have a mixed performance. It will have an up and down result. So only this, it goes slow and steady manner. And to solve these problems only, bonuses are given to people. When we see bonus, there are concept scaled fast start bonus, ranking advancement bonus, and leadership bonus. So what is fast start bonus is the achievements you did in a certain period, you will get bonus according to that. When we look into the rank bonus, for example, if you have achieved a certain level, if it is a silver, then the next level you go is gold. After that, the next you go for is diamond, then comes the platinum, and that's how it goes. So these ranks will be a motivation for you to achieve all the bonus. Next comes to the leadership bonus, which is a very, very important one. Here, you maintain a healthy team under you through your leadership skills. There are chances that it will run smoothly. This can be an encouragement to the leaders by giving them bonus. And in new level, you should have at least 10 products in your company to start your business. Then it will be a good startup for your company. And income wise, that is when you have to have a good money capacity with you, and it will take your business to a smooth run. When we look into the marketing, that is also a very important factor. Also, when you know marketing only, without a failure, you can able to run your business. When we look into the sponsors, they will concentrate only to the new recruiters. But what you should do is not only the new recruiters, but for also the people who have done recruiting in the starting stage. You should treat them also equally, both well and noticed, because most of the people just to bring new recruiters, they will concentrate only on recruiters to do placements. But in an overall view, you should maintain good leadership skill, maintaining both the old recruiters and the new recruiters. This will be a very helpful to have a clear run in the company for the Unilevel plan. Unilevel concept is a very unique and easy concept, and it is an effortless implementation, and it has an opportunity of yielding higher profit. It encourages sales throughout by giving bonuses such as like ranking bonus, leadership bonus, which we talked earlier. The building strategy concept is also very easy. Flexibility is also there, and it is a very simple concept too. Also, it serves as a solid income opportunity. Less compensation overflow is also there in it, and it is an universal plan. It is an easily understandable plan also. By watching these videos or of these kinds, you are not compelled to choose this plan only, or you should do not do like that. This is a way only you should do. There is nothing like that. It is not right also for your business. You should choose plans only that are suitable for your concept, which are you strongly believe that you have good knowledge and it will definitely work. Your experience in that is also an important factor. Whatever the plan may be, binary, unilevel, or matrix, you should have some experience. Only then you can shine in your business. In the next video, we'll talk about different plan. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to it. Only then you will get notification and you can watch videos we put. And if you have any doubts in these concepts, we have given the number below. You can make your queries here and we will meet in the next video. Bye. Thanks so much.